Hi, my name is Steve Jobs, and I have an incredible story to share with you today. Right now, I am standing at the entrance of the company that I co-founded years ago, Apple Computers. Today is a special day because I am about to embark on a brand new journey, a second chance to make a big comeback. As I step into the office, memories of my earlier days at Apple come rushing back. I remember the excitement and innovation that filled the air. However, there came a time when I had to step away and let others take the reins of the company. It wasn't an easy decision, but sometimes we need to trust others and see what they can do. During my time away, I learned some valuable lessons. I realized how much I loved creating and innovating. My passion for technology was stronger than ever. Deep down, I knew that my journey was not over, and I had so much more to offer to the world. Now, I am back at Apple, ready to make a difference once again. The company faced some challenges while I was away, but it's time to turn the tide. I believe in the power of innovation, thinking differently, and bringing extraordinary products to the world. The fire inside me is burning brighter than ever. As I walk through the office, I see the talented people who have joined Apple in my absence. They are full of potential, and I know that together we can achieve greatness. We will push boundaries, challenge the status quo, and create products that will change the world. Nothing can stop us now. This second chance at Apple is not just about business for me. It's about fulfilling a dream, leaving a lasting legacy, and inspiring others to never give up. Life is full of ups and downs, but that shouldn't stop us from pursuing our passions and dreams. We all encounter setbacks, but they should never define us. Thanks for listening to my story. Remember, no matter what challenges you face, always believe in yourself and never be afraid to start again. Your second chance might just be the beginning of something extraordinary. Keep dreaming, keep pushing forward, and create your own comeback story.